High-speed RAM, an enormous space 16 GB high-bandwidth RAM to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. 128 GB UFS SSD allows to fast boot up and data transfer. Processor Intel N200 processor, 4 cores, 4 threads, 6 MB Intel Smart Cache, up to 3.7 GHz turbo. Display 5.6-inch diagonal, HD, 1366 by 768 screen. Tech specs: 2x USB 3.0 Type A, 1x USB Type C, 1x HDMI, 1x headphone and microphone combo, numeric keyboard, webcam, Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth. Operating system: Windows 11 Home. Beautiful, more consistent new design, great window layout options, improved performance features, new video game selection and capabilities. Compatible with Android apps.